In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the admin on a Trello board. Whether you're organizing a project or collaborating with your team, managing board permissions is crucial to ensure smooth operation and security. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of the screen. Click that button and you will be prompted with several options to log in. You can choose to sign in using Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack depending on which accounts you have linked, or simply use your email address and password to access your Trello account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board that you want to modify. You can do this by selecting the board from your dashboard. Now that you're on the board, focus your attention toward the top of the board where you'll see the Share button. This is your gateway to managing team members and permissions. After clicking on the Share button, you'll be presented with a list of all the members who currently have access to the board. Browse through this list until you identify the member you want to make an admin. It's important to ensure that you're assigning the right person as an admin, as this role allows users to change board settings and manage other members. Once you've identified the right person, find the drop-down menu located next to their name. Click on it and you'll see various permission levels that you can assign to the member. Select the admin option from the menu to upgrade their permissions. Now, with a simple click, you've granted them admin privileges. This user can now help you manage the board, including modifying settings, adding or removing members, and even assigning other admins if necessary. Having multiple admins can be incredibly useful for extensive projects to delegate responsibilities and maintain seamless workflow management. And there you have it. The user now has admin privileges on your Trello board. It's always a good idea to communicate these changes to your team so everyone is aware of who holds administrative roles and can coordinate tasks effectively. This relatively simple process ensures that your board is managed by the right team members, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Remember, regular management of your board's permissions will help maintain an organized and effective workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Happy organizing!